This is Jonathan, and in this demo I'm going to show you how to create a full page opt-in form. So the first thing we do, go into the dashboard, and this is what you're going to see first. So you click on the create new, and then you want to give your project a page name, so we call it test 22. Okay, call it test, yes. And then you've got the option of pages and post. So in this pages, we're going to go for home page. Okay, so we just selected home page, and then you go on to your pop-up layout. It's already defaulted to opt-in, but here, this is where you can see all your different options of templates. You've got the opt-in, media, survey, offer, opt-in and timer, media and timer, service, so many different combinations, but we'll just choose the opt-in layout. Okay, so we've done that. So let's move on to the opt-in dash. We'll move on to there. Now here you've got different options. Okay, you can actually select your own form. So for example, you've got your own. This is my Aweber form, so I can just copy that back into here like this. Yeah, and if you give it a few seconds, it will then, let me pause the opt-in preview form. But you've also got the option of having your own basic list editor opt-in form here, and here you can have the name and email. You can have a captcha if you wanted to. You can have a border. You can have an X, to close it up. You can have just the email address if you wanted to as well. Now, to make changes to these text up here, the top heading and the subheading, very easy. You just, as you can see there, if I make test, and to do this part, you just select from the drop down menu subheading text, and you can put test 1. But if you didn't want that, you can just remove it and it goes away. Okay, so we'll just leave this one back on there, and that's it really. So what we'll do, we'll go back in here, and we'll get rid of that one. So let's just have a look at this, go back in there. So what we'll do is we'll use the other one, so we can see that this works if you wanted to use your own independent from your Aweber. But I'll get rid of this. I'll get rid of this, and I'm going to use list editor's opt-in form. Okay, so you can save changes to that, and once you've saved changes, you can now choose your because we're using list editor's form, we can use, like mine's an Aweber. We can then choose from here by saying get information. When you click on that get information, you're going to be seeing this page here. And so what I'll do is I'll pause this. Once you're in, as you can see, you've got a list of different database names. So we just choose one from there. Let's just choose Facebook. Yeah, so we've chosen one. So we can save that. Let's save that information. Now down here you can actually change the color of this blue to orange. For example, if you wanted to change, let's change the button text. I haven't shown you that. Say click here. You can change that button text, and you can change the button background. Okay, so if we wanted blue, we've got blue. Okay, and you can also change the heading background. So if we heading background, if we wanted red or some dark red, you can do that there. Yes, and if you wanted to change the text of that as well, heading text, for example, and you can certainly do that. If you want to say blue, as you can see, you can change it to blue there as well. So this is how you make the changes of the text and all the different tests. You make the changes, save the changes. That's what we want to do now. Go back to dash, and we've got all these different features here. You've got this timed features. If you click away, scroll, you've got all these different combinations. Let's stick to that. We're saying 2 seconds. So you know, when someone comes to your page, in 2 seconds it will see all the different features. You know, you've got all this swing, wobble, fade in. Again, we'll leave it to swing, and we'll default to 2 seconds there as well. So we save the changes, and what we want to do is publish that pop-up. It takes a few seconds for it to do that. Now, okay, so now this is the page, and now let's have a look. Let's view the page. Okay, that's the background. It comes up, gets over it, and that's our thing. So we can actually enter in our information in here. Is gmail.com. And you know, that's it. Oh. Alright, that's not correct, and it's told me that as well. It told me off. Click on that, and you get a thank you page. Thank you very much, and that's it.